every single time there's cell division, those telomeres get shorter and shorter and shorter. Okay? Because the way DNA replication works is you have DNA polymerase that goes down and then replicates, right? But the binding and unbinding of that DNA polymerase is a stochastic process. It's happening just based on some probability. And so the probability that goes all the way to the end is low, right? And that's why you have a bunch of nonsense telomeric DNA at the very end. It's just a bunch of AT. You get what I'm saying, right?
Yes.
It's just like, it's a bunch of repetitive DNA that doesn't actually code for protein. It's just there to make sure that I get everything in the middle.
Yes.
Right? So it's these caps at the very end.
Yes.
Now, short telomeres leads to cellular senescence, which is like the cell goes into a kind of coma-like state.
Okay.
And it can lead to apoptosis, which is when the cell programs its own death. Okay? And it's been shown that it's a key contributor to organismal aging. So the telomeric DNA getting shorter and shorter correlates to the organism at large getting more and more aged.
Which sort of makes sense. Like your buffers that are protecting this replication process are disappearing over time.
And like maybe you're losing genes on the ends, you know, and things like that. Yeah, there's some mechanistic view there, right?
Okay.
There's a few hallmarks of aging that I want to talk about. This one is telomere attrition. Okay, telomeres are the protective DNA caps at the end of our chromosomes. They're a bunch of repetitive DNA that's basically nonsense. It's just there as a cap to make sure that the inner part of our chromosome gets replicated, right?